Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat and Chat with Pooh. I got my special guest with me, my baby again, Lily. All right, y'all. Now I know y'all see the girl finally got these chicken sandwiches. Well, the fish sandwich, the new fish sandwich. So, but we also got chicken sandwiches in case the fish sandwich ain't, all that. We got some fries here that done got a little cold, but hey, we still about to dip in like, what up? So with that being said, we're going to get into this prayer, then we're going to get into this bite, and we're going to let you know what this fish is tasting like, okay? Okay. Let's see. Let's bow our head and get into this prayer. Amen. All right, y'all. So we about to get into this bite. Try one of these cold fries because, baby,
It's cold.
When you go to ride, it be cold. It is cold.
Ain't that cold though? It's not that cold.
No, they're burning. But these boys can get up. We're from Michigan. But y'all know that. So, I got a town club soda today. I don't know
I have a pink lemonade brisk.
if them is all over other places too. I don't know. But, yeah. Let's go into this fish. Let's see
What it's sitting on.
what they say. What they say they got about. I'm supposed to have extra tartar. I don't know which one do.
None of them do.
Right.
Butter sauce in the refrigerator?
No, I'm good. This is what it's looking like. It kind of look like a fish to me. I mean, a chicken sandwich, but
yeah.
we about to see.
They're not all that bad.
So, let me take another bite. A little pickle.
I have to take one too.
That's why I asked for extra tartar. Because I know I like the taste of tartar.
It's spicy.
Yeah. It's
I mean,
it's a nice little fillet.
yeah, it's not that bad.
Little thin fillet.
Not that bad at all.
But you already know I don't wait all day to eat. So, boom. But let me see up in there. If I can tell.
What?
A little bit of orange. Then it's a little spicy. Finally, you got to taste it.
Together, because I haven't tried it either.
I'm struggling, y'all. I know you see my face. Alright. Okay. I haven't had one in a while. Pretty good. I haven't been really drinking soda, so you know.
I have. That's why my face breaking out now. I need to stop drinking soda.
Good. You know what? Pop never really used to break my face out. Pop never really broke my face out. I haven't doing that.
Who breaks mine out?
Maybe now, as we got older. Because Shani was the one whose face used to break out. Bad from drinking pop.
I don't like that. I said I don't like that.
Alright. Okay, y'all. So, my honest opinion with the fish sandwich is good. For myself, I could have used extra tartar, like I asked for, but it's cool. But I definitely will order it again. It's not one of those, rah, you know, I really gotta go back and we gotta go back to the building to get me another one of those. No, it's not that. But it's okay, I feel like eating a little bit of Popeyes. Chicken sandwich. I do Popeyes today. Yeah. But I am about to get into a bite of this chicken sandwich. Oh, excuse me. I haven't had one of these in a while. And bro, why does this look like a square? This looks like a damn fish sandwich. But we about to see because this is a square patty. Bruh, I promise you on everything. If I bite into this, this is another fish sandwich.
This is beyond me. Oh, it's chicken.
This right here, if you put turtle on my motherfucking, don't they look like tartar sauce, y'all? You see them little speckles?
Yeah. Did they put tartar sauce on the fish sandwich? I mean the chicken sandwich?
Girl, I watched another YouTuber. This happened to her. She bit into her sandwich. She thought she was eating a fish sandwich.
And it's a chicken.
And it was a damn chicken sandwich and they had put the damn tartar sauce on her stuff. Kicking it with Lucille, girl. Now I'm about to bite this shit and see what happens. Because y'all, I mean, like, it can't be that hard, man. It just can't be that hard. On life. This is another motherfucking fish sandwich. In a fucking chicken sandwich bag. With extra on there. What's supposed to be extra mayo.
Popeyes. What is y'all doing?
Now, y'all see that last video when I was talking. Y'all wasn't playing. Because, like, seriously though, it's a pandemic going on out here. And my point of the matter in saying this is, I shouldn't have to, I already checked my food, you know what I'm saying? But I shouldn't have to open up sandwiches and stuff and look at sandwiches to make sure the sandwiches is the sandwiches it's supposed to be.
Right.
And I'm stuck. We gotta eat something from my refrigerator because for sure I ain't full. But like I said, you know, the fish sandwich is good, but it ain't, you know? Girl, can you believe that?
That just irritated me because I really wanted.
How can you make that mistake though?
I really wanted the chicken sandwich too.
I was looking for the bite. I wanted to taste it. I haven't tasted it in a long time. I don't get them often because they're greasy. But then I wanted the backup for this. You want him, girl? What?
What? They gave us two. I said they gave us 2 fish sandwiches. 4.
And 2 of them in chicken bag.
Yeah, I'm sorry, these fries are cold.
They ain't got colder.
They feel good.
Kind of chewy. Not cocoa. Excuse me. I'm gonna crawl up here.
They know they're wrong.
I'm glad I was doing a review to see how the fish sandwich tastes. It's dried in the Sahara Desert. That's why I asked, because most places don't. They just, you know, put a little bit on, spread a little bit on the top. Normally, time I ask for extra because, you know, I be wanting that. I want to taste the, you know, whatever it is, the condiment that come on my sandwich. But, bruh, y'all literally put a dot on there.
What?
And then gave us 4 fish sandwiches.
And we asked for fish and chicken.
And I don't feel like going back up there. I really don't. Not tonight. But I bet you I get a credit. I already had to get one for my last mess up when I done got into it with them people. I'm so disappointed in Popeyes. It is lame. On Washington. I mean, on elsewhere. The only one we got out here. And I promise, I had told Lily, I'm like, why every time I come up here to this speaker, one of these young girls get on here and they chuckling. What the fuck is so funny? Well, I hadn't said it yet, but hit the subscribe button to be notified when I drop a video, please. I know this ain't all what it was all cracked up to be. It wasn't for me either. But over here we have positive energy. I might have a potty mouth sometime. But other than that, it's all good. It's all love. Come on and come in and come on in. And come join the family over here. Leave a girl a comment. Let me know if this happened to you. Have you been having any troubles with Popeyes, with their sandwiches, with their chicken? I mean, like, what's really good? Is it just me? Is it just us? What's up?
They're trying to make this spicy like this is spicy.
It's the batter. But see, the only reason why, and then the fish sandwich, like, it's so dry. That's why I can't eat it. I mean, it's dry. It's dry. It's not a bad tasting fish. It's just dry.
It's not supposed to be dry like that.
No fish sandwich. No, it's the fish sandwich. You want your tartar sauce on there.
Right.
And then I wouldn't want to take no cold tartar sauce from my refrigerator and put it on there nobody. Y'all, like I said, this was a review. So I thank you for coming and eating and chat with Pooh. And just coming to see what I was doing over here with the review with the fish sandwich. I gave you my honest opinion. The fish sandwich is good. I will go back and order it again, but it has to have extra tartar sauce as well as yeah, just have extra tartar sauce. But like I said, it ain't nothing that I just be running back to go get like every day. No, it's not. But when I think of a you know, a place to get a fish sandwich from, other than McDonald's is where I usually get mine at when I'm on a fast food fish sandwich. But yeah, I would think of them. So I would say try it out. I'm not gonna say don't. Try it out. Just make sure it's the right sandwich. You know, it's the way you want it. And that's it. Again, thank you for coming and eating and chatting with Pooh. What's so funny?
Cause I just see her snacking.
Oh girl, eat.
I'm hungry, y'all.
Subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Make sure you leave the girl a comment, hit that like button, and share. Once again, if you're eating with us, I hope whatever you're eating was good. Oh, excuse me. Let me know down in the comments what were you eating. Let me know what do you think about this video and what they did with me with my sandwich, girl. But anyway, again, have a blessed night, and I'll see you again soon.
Bye.